Hey guys, it's Eric here from Signature Autohaus. Today we're going to be highlighting this beautiful example of a 2022 AMG GT63S. We're going to start out with my favorite part of this vehicle, and that is the performance aspect of it. We have some beautiful catless downpipes in here, BMC air filters, Rentec blow-off valves, and it's all paired with our amazing Stage 2 software, putting about 125 horsepower to the wheels and about 120 foot-pounds of torque. I just wanted to highlight one of my awesome ASE certified technicians here, Brad. Everything from the catless downpipes down to the carbon fiber accessories on this vehicle, he absolutely crushed. I mean, you look at these factory body gaps and stuff like that, and it's absolutely phenomenal. Everything's lined up, everything's synchronized. There's nothing loose and wobbly on this vehicle. He knocked it out of the park. One of the main things I love about this car is the yellow accents and little details that matter to us here at Signature Autohaus. From the stuff that's on the carbon fiber front lip to the carbon fiber side skirt, down to the calipers, and even the yellow ring around the carbon fiber disc for these Veritas forged wheels. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's all the small details that really matter to us, all the way down to the interior where we did the yellow seat belts as well. Nothing was skipped on this car, nothing at all. No corners cut. This is what we do. We have a full DarwinPRO BKSS 2 body kit on here. Everything from the front clip, so we're talking about the hood, the fenders, the carbon fiber front lip, down to the side skirts, the wing, rear diffuser, and even these small little pieces back here. You name it, we did it. So as you see, we also have some beautiful Redenso laser diffusers here in the front. It comes with front and rear radar, a display pad in the vehicle as well, so you're getting your notifications that are coming up. That way Greg is guaranteed ticket free. So we have this beautiful set of Veritas forged wheels, the 525 MT series, everything down to the yellow, the three-piece caps, the polished lip with the satin black face and satin black inner barrel. We're running a 22 by 12.5 in the rear and a 22 by 10.5 in the front. It's absolutely phenomenal. One of my favorite wheels. I love this mesh design. They're an amazing company. They've been doing supercharged for a very long time because it's VF engineering, but you see their capabilities with the wheels and the designs as well. They're absolutely fantastic. The last and final touch that we added to this vehicle was, of course, XPEL paint protection film. So we had a little bit of a challenge with this vehicle because it has matte factory paint. It's green hell magno, absolutely phenomenal color from Mercedes. But as you know, we have to do XPEL Stealth, which is a frosted matte finish, and then XPEL Gloss for all of the carbon fiber. Everything that you see from head to toe on this vehicle has been protected, ceramic coated, and absolutely fun. What's something that you just said, Tommy? Protected from the hellacious fucking Florida roads. It's gonna help protect it from these brutal South Florida streets. Yeah.
When I walk straight through, no chase. Water flow down from the top to my legs, digging this straight down. Tied up, no slack, show, sipping from the rose gold. Tell me that straight make cash like Hove in tech. Soon wanna take my mom from the stove. Still say I got shit to know. Educate dumb niggas slick on the low. Stroll right through, no shit in the view. Walk past motherfuckers, never had no clue. 46 in the 6, fucked up when the phone rang. Downforce, sipping on juice, never had no ring. Breaking down D's, no frown, never feel no guilt. Bitch, I run this town. Run away quick when I hear that sound. Never go back when I claim that ground. Yeah, right now.
Wow. This is wicked.
I know,
like
Derek.
This is really nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, the little details, you know, make a difference.
Try to more songs up and I'm on my side of the league. Let it come out, don't throw like that, don't come right back, they reach. I feel good, making this shit look. Shawty want signs up, 10 on my side and 10 on my side of Libra. Let it come round, don't talk like that, don't come right back, they reach it. I forget where the cake came from, but I guess they did amnesia. Hard to tell when I'm making this shit look.